Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to use Snapchat on a computer. On your computer, first of all, you have to open a browser and then on your browser, search for Snapchat. And here you will find official Snapchat website link. Just open snapchat.com. And now click on Chat. And then you will directly jump into Snapchat login or sign up page. Here, if you don't have any account, just click on sign up to create a brand new Snapchat account. Or you can enter here your existing account login credential and click on next. Once you successfully logged in, click on get started. And now you can enable your camera and microphone. Also, you can enable notifications for your Snapchat web. Click on this camera to send any snaps, or you can directly open any chat or conversation to send text messages. And click on this plus icon to add friend. Click on this new message icon to send a new message. And now you can easily open Snapchat web on your computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.